There has never been an exception in human history about anyone not facing loss, grief, or adversity at some point in life. But the Quran offers a profound insight, a universal law of nature. In just few powerful words, it says, "So surely with every hardship there is ease." The important aspect of this verse is that God Almighty says ease comes along with hardship and not after the hardship. In other words, whenever you face a difficulty or a situation, there is already a hidden opportunity waiting to be discovered. So instead of dwelling on the problem, try to find where is this ease hidden in this hardship? What door is being opened behind the difficulty that I see? Most people do not ask the right questions. For example, why do problems come at all? How should I respond when they do? The answer to the first is spiritual. God Almighty has created every human being with immense potential. But this potential lies in a dormant state until it is awakened by pressure. Think of it like this. A sugar cane is filled with sweet juice. But this juice doesn't come out by wrapping it in a cotton. It comes out when it is repeatedly put under the crusher. Likewise, our inner strength, our resilience, our creativity, our faith emerges when we are pressed by life. A coal under pressure becomes diamond. Likewise, your struggle reveals your brilliance. Be honest and think, would you pray as sincerely in comfort as you do in pain? Would you grow as much in ease as you do in adversity? Probably not. And that brings us to the second question. What should I do when I face an adversity, a situation, or a challenge? The answer is simple. Adopt a positive mindset. Because positivity breeds creativity. It opens your mind. It helps you to think clearly. In contrast, a negative mindset is like a psychological suicide. It shuts down your thinking. It convinces you that there is no way forward. It makes you blind to opportunities. So if life knocks you down, don't be sad. Don't look at it as an end. Look at it as a new beginning. Reflect, replan, rise.